Good morning, my dear student. Most welcome to the online classes of SPPS. In this video for 12th class, in English, Flamingo. Today I will teach you lesson number 4, the rat trap. Rat means चूहा, trap means उसकी जो फांसने की जो फंदा होता है, जो ट्रैप कहते हैं उसे कहते हैं rat trap. The story of this lesson I will tell you. The story of this lesson is about a vagabond rat trap who is a poor person who sells his rat traps by wandering as a hawker. But his business is not prosperous, so he has to resort. इसलिए उसे सारा कुछ छोटी मोटी चोरियों का लेना पड़ता था. One day he was wandering on a road and thinking that the whole world is a rat trap. पूरी दुनिया एक चूहेदानी के समान होती है. The people came into the world, लोग इस दुनिया में आते हैं, and they are trapped by the many, बहुत से प्रलोभनों के द्वारा वो फंस जाते, इससे निकलने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं. So by wandering, घूमते हुए, it became evening, शाम हो जाती है. He reached to the door of a crofter. एक क्रॉप्टर जो साजे पे खेती करता उसके डोर के पास पहुंचता. Who was a poor man, but he did not have any wife or children. He was alone. When he knocked at the hut of the crofter, then he became very glad that he had someone to talk in his loneliness. For his guest, he prepared supper. After eating supper, he smoked some tobacco and then they played a card game. Meanwhile, the crofter talked to him a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करता है. And he thought that in his prosperity days, के समृद्ध जीवन में, he had earned 40 kronos, 40 kronos by selling the milk of his cow. He sold the notes to the rat trapper and put into a leather bag into the hole of the hut. When the morning came, the crofter was hurried in milking his cow. The vagabond got up. He stuck his hand into the hole and took out the 40 kronos and ran away from there. भाग जाता है. He did not took the main road because he was in danger of catch by something. किसी पकड़ने के खतरे में था. So he entered into the forest. He wandered the whole day into the forest, but he could not come out of the forest. वह जंगल से बाहर नहीं आ सका. Then he lay down and heard some sound of beating. उसने कुछ पीटने की आवाज़ सुनी. He knew that Remenso iron bus was there, so he went there and asked shelter for the night. The workers of the furnace agreed, consented. राजी हो गए. When the owner of the factory came there to his night inspection, रात के इंस्पेक्शन में आया, तो he considered the rat trapper his old regiment friend, but he pursued him to go to his house, but he did not agree. Then the owner went to his house and told everything to his daughter. His daughter was a good-natured woman. She came to the factory and took the rat trapper to his house to celebrate Christmas. When the rat trapper was shaved and given new clothes, and he was stood before the owner of the furnace, then the owner recognized that he was mistaken, and he told him to leave his house. But his daughter stopped him by saying that I have promised him to be a guest, so we should not turn him out. उसे हमें बाहर नहीं निकालना चाहिए. After that, for morning prayer, the owner with his daughter went to the church for prayer. There he heard, वहाँ उन्होंने सुनी, the news of the theft in the crofter's house. The owner of the factory recognized that he was none other than the thief who had stolen the crofter's money. जो crofter के रुपए को चुराया था वही था और कुछ नहीं था. So he hurriedly went into the house. घर में आया. He found that the red trapper was ran away, but he had left a slip in which he wrote to his daughter to return the money which he had stolen from the crofter's house, and he was changed by the good behavior of his daughter. So this is the story of this lesson. Dear student, as a homework, I am giving some of the questions which you will try to give their answer. Your question number first will be, why was he, from where did the peddler get the idea? ये पेडलर या कोई होता है, रेड ट्रेपर, वैगाबॉन्ड, आप कह सकते हो. फ्रॉम वेयर डिड द पेडलर get the idea of the word being red trap, of the word being red trap. Your question number second will be, why did he show the 30 kronos to the peddler? जो क्रॉप्टर था उसने 30 kronos क्यों दिखाए थे? Why did he show the 30 kronos? kronos जो करेंसी थी उस कंट्री की, उसी कहते हैं the 30 kronos. Kroner to the peddler. Peddler जो पैदल चलने वाला होता है. These are the questions which you will try to give their answer, and also try to write all the questions answer from this lesson. That's all for this video.